Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the layout file that contains the button. In Split View, you can edit XML and see the preview. This speeds iteration. Once you locate the button, assign a clear ID like @+ID/MyButton so you can reference it later. Make sure the project uses an app compat or material theme because styles affect color behavior. Now, save the layout and prepare to change color either directly in XML or via a style resource for cleaner reuse. You can change the button color directly or through a style. Both work. For direct edits, set Android, background tint equals at color/your color or Android, background equals at drawable/your drawable to control shape plus color. If you prefer consistency, define a color resource in res/values/colors. XML or a color state list in res/color, then reference it. Also consider creating a style in styles. XML and apply it with style equals at style/MyButton. This keeps color, pad. Once done, rebuild and run the app to verify the button color on device or emulator. If the color doesn't appear, make sure your app theme isn't overriding background tint. Material components themes may require app, background tint, or using material button. Also confirm your drawable isn't fully opaque or layered above tints. If you still have issues, clean the project, invalidate caches, and reapply the color as a drawable with tint support. This resolves most conflicts between theme, drawable, and tint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.